Today I want to introduce Seed, the smart way to develop digital products and services. Hi, my name is Christian and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Carrot & Company. What is Seed? Seed enables software developers to quickly and solidly implement digital product and service ideas. It is, if you like to put it that way, a digital product development kit. What does this kit contain? In addition to the basic web application for software as a service products, we've also built mobile apps for Android and iOS. The product website is also included and comes with a convenient CMS system. So, why did we build Seed? We at Carrot & Company have been developing digital products for us and our customers for over 13 years now. The basis is very similar for most of our projects. In order to save time and money for us and our clients, we have put our experience and best practices of the last 13 years into Seed, so we can develop new products very quickly and cost efficiently, despite the high quality. How can I imagine this as a developer? If you want to start a new project with Seed, you will get the source code for all the previously mentioned systems in a Git monorepo. This source code can be run very quickly on Mac, Linux or Windows. With just a few commands you can start running the system and then start programming your idea right away. Seed provides you also a solid foundation that is also well documented. That means things like user sign-up and administration, as well as permission management and much more, are already integrated and functional without writing a single line of code. But what if you want to do something different from what we decided how to do it with Seed? So this is actually no problem, because you get the full access to the source code, you can fully customize and extend it or simply delete things you don't like. So you can customize the whole project according to your business logic, according to your needs, very easily. Seed comes also with an attractive and easily changeable design. In other words, you can fully concentrate on your functionality when developing your idea, and it still looks good without an additional effort. Seed naturally comes with the latest so-called state-of-the-art technology. But to ensure this remains the case throughout the life of your digital product, Seed is regularly updated and extended. So the updates of Seed can easily be integrated into your already adapted source code with a single command. This way your digital product is always state-of-the-art as well, and the maintenance costs are really minimized. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Bye!